This blue propeller logo has changed the way we Indian car lovers dream about our cars. I mean, I don't know anybody who wouldn't want a BMW in their dream garage. Be it the mighty M5 or the M6, or a 3 Series or a 5 Series sedan as a daily driver. Well, to help you get closer to your dream and to work a little less for them, BMW has launched this, the X1 compact crossover. Well, the X1 range is currently the cheapest BMW range available in the country today. So, let's check out if the baby Beamer can be your next dream BMW.
We Indians have a soft spot for SUVs and an even softer one for premium badges on the bonnet. BMW has been spot on with the X1. Being the smallest member of BMW's X family, it sure looks like a mini SUV, and that's the battle half won for BMW. What makes the X1 a sure shot blockbuster is its pricing and positioning. With the range starting at a little above Rs 20 lakh, the X1 with its BMW badge on the bonnet is destined to give everything ranging from the Fortuners, Outlanders and CR-Vs of the world nightmares. The X1 is unmistakably a BMW. It's a pretty long car, and the low roofline gives it a nice sporty squat. There are plenty of design cues that we've seen in a lot of recent Beamers. The roofline swoops behind in a coupe-like fashion of the X6, and there's a lot of flame surfacing all around.
The BMW X1 is quite a big looking car. It's long, it's slow, and it looks very sporty in true BMW fashion. I like the sculpted bonnet, the headlamps with the eyelet treatment, and the big kidney grille, which have a very flat front now. Another thing that I love is the lower bumper treatment, which gets a lot of black and silver finish.
The front end looks pretty dominating and sporty with a large kidney grille, a flatter face and a blacked out inverted air dam with a silver finish splitter at the bottom. The rakish headlamps with an eyelet treatment enhance the front end visuals, and the high mounted fog lamps complement them very well. Xenon lights with headlamp washers are available only on the 20D exclusive as standard. Move to the side and the X1 looks a bit more car-like and docile than your regular SUV. It doesn't sport the roofline of a high-rise tower nor heavy plastic cladding adding visual bulk. It maintains the agile and athletic profile you'd relate to a BMW and actually excels in that. At 1545mm, it's about 125mm taller than a 3 Series sedan, but is modestly lower to even a Skoda Yeti. An inclined, sharp waistline complements the swooping roofline and a sudden kink in the glass area near the C-pillar. The inverted side skirts in silver finish add to the sportiness.
Although there are touring models available internationally, the rear hatch of the BMW X1 is a little unusual in India, but it's very nicely executed. I like the slopey rear glass panel and the hatch that turns flat after that. Then there are the sharp tail lamps. The bumper again features a silver and black diffuser treatment.
The rear is characterized by minimal overhangs and sharp rakish tail lamps that mimic heating elements at night and look great. The 20D exclusive edition also gets stylish 17-inch star spoke alloys shod with 225/50 R17 run flat tires. If SUVs are your weapon of choice to shoo away small cars and auto rickshaws clogging our streets, the X1 might just not serve the purpose. It is a smart looking car, a 3 Series that has been on a serious weight gain regime, but is far from the Schwarzenegger aura that SUVs like Fortuner, Endeavour or even CR-V and Scorpio come with.